Are you ready for your get up and go? I am, and I hope you are too. And today, while we're walking, I want you to think about loving yourself and how that's the best gift you can give the world, right? Knowing your self-worth, walking with pride, knowing exactly who you are. It's not selfish. This is not selfish to sometimes choose yourself over others, right? It just makes a better you. Now let's get ready. Let's do our get up and go. Come on. Okay, everybody, catch that beat. Let's go. We're going to start off with knee raising.
I said I love you, I swear I do. But the mirror whispers something new. A reflection sharp, a truth so clear. This heart beats loud when I'm standing here.
Tournaments and questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! Back to the walk. Push pulls.
I grew the seeds. You gave me space, but I found my needs.
Knee raises. Let's go.
You're a steady flame. Together we burn, but I own my name.
Keep them going. Woo! We're gonna do some crunches. You ready? Let's go.
Oh, can't you see the one I've been waiting for is me? I'm my own uncle.
Two on one side. 1, 2.
Not cool, just free. I'll dance alone if that's what it'll be. No villain here, no locked up door. It's just I love me. I love you.
Keep going. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep on going. You did great today. Remember, get up and go. Monday, Wednesday, Friday with Uncle B. If you like the channel and you want to join, become one of the crew. You get all these walks with no commercials, and you can stack them. So, as you're going and you're progressing, you can do more and more each day. Doesn't it sound like a great plan? I think it does. Have a great day, everybody. Remember, I can love you, I love me more. And that's not being selfish. Not at all.